Hi everyone. Keeping a WordPress security log is a great tool to identify and stop an attack. You can also use it to identify and assess the damage after a breach, and it can also aid you in cleaning your site after a hack. In this video, we're going to cover 4 types of activity you should record in your security logs and how they can help you secure your site. The easiest way to start a security log is to install a WordPress security plugin like iTheme Security Pro that will automatically track your site and user activity. The first thing you'll want to record is brute force activity. Brute force attacks refer to the trial and error method used to discover usernames and passwords in order to hack into a website. WordPress doesn't track any user login activity, so there isn't anything built into WordPress to protect you from a brute force attack. It is up to you to monitor your login security to protect your site. You'll need to record the username and IP that is attempting to log in and whether or not the login was successful. If you see a single username or IP that has consecutive failed login attempts, the chances are you're under a brute force attack. Now that you can spot a brute force attack, you can take action and stop the attacker from making any more login attempts. You should also keep track of any file changes that occur on your site so you can identify any unexpected changes. There are several legitimate reasons you would see a new file change activity in your log. If you see a change made to a plugin at the same time that you updated a plugin, there would be no reason to investigate. But if the changes made were unexpected, you should take the time to ensure the changes weren't malicious. If you spot an unexpected change to a plugin, you should download the latest version of the plugin to compare with the modified version on your site. You can easily compare the difference of the two files using your favorite text editor. It's not only important to run malware scans, you should also be recording the results of every malware scan in your WordPress security logs. Not recording failed scans could result in you thinking your site is being checked daily for malware, but in reality, you may have gone months without a malware scan. Keeping a record of user activity in your WordPress security logs can be your saving grace after a successful attack. If you are monitoring the correct user activity, it can guide you through the timeline of a hack and show you everything the hacker changed, from adding new users to adding unwanted pharma ads on your site. The first type of user activity you should track is when a user logs in or out of your site, and also from where. Monitoring time and location of a user's login can help you spot a user that is compromised. Did that user log in at an unusual time or from a new place? If so, you may want to start your investigation with them. If a user becomes compromised, you'll also want to know if they've added or removed any plugins or themes. Have they modified any existing posts or pages? If so, you'll have a record of what you need to go and remove from your site. As you can see, your WordPress security logs can help you prevent attacks, and if your site does become compromised, the logs can be your guide to identify the damage and aid you in repairing your site. I'm including a link in the description to a blog post that covers the same topic, but in greater detail. Don't forget to subscribe to see more videos and tutorials about all things WordPress.